find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, here we want to tell you how to make and order coffee janji jiwa. Okay, first come to the place of order. So order drink as you wish with many flavors. You can choose whoever you like. So wait until your order is completed and then take your drink and enjoy your drink.
once we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
How to make it very easy. First, prepare a glass, so fill it with some bubbles or any taste to your liking. Then add water and be the beverage you want. This is the simple way to make janji jiwa coffee. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.